Now listen to this. Our next guest is a talented singer-songwriter. He's got a brand new CD here. It's entitled Hands of Glory. And with him tonight, special guest. And if you want to bring on a special musical guest, you can't do any better than this. If I had any musical ability at all, I would bring her with me everywhere I went. This is just everything you need.
I heard her in rehearsal. Fantastic.
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 Special musical guest is Tift Merritt. Here's Andrew Bird, ladies and gentlemen.
If I needed you, would you come to me? Would you come to me for to ease my pain?
Exactly what I was talking about right there. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Good to see you, Tiff. Thank you so much. Thank you as well. That was great. The name of the collection of music is Hands of Glory, ladies and gentlemen. Tift Merritt, Alan Hampton, and Andrew Bird. Thank you. Thank you. Come back early and often. That's it. We have to go. Good night, everybody.